Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean sea moss with lime. First, let's begin with the initial preparation. You'll want to thoroughly rinse your dry sea moss under cool, running water for several minutes. This crucial first step helps remove any loose debris, sand, or visible impurities that might be clinging to the sea moss. Make sure to gently separate the strands as you rinse, ensuring all surfaces are exposed to the water for a truly clean start. This sets the stage for a perfect cleanse. Now that your sea moss is initially rinsed, it's time for the powerful lime soak. Place the rinsed sea moss into a large bowl and completely cover it with fresh, filtered water. Then, add the juice of 2 to 3 fresh limes to the soaking water, ensuring it's well distributed. This acidic environment helps to further purify and deodorize the sea moss. Allow it to soak for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, for optimal cleansing results. After its refreshing lime bath, the sea moss needs a final rinse and inspection. Drain the lime water and rinse the sea moss thoroughly under cool, running water once more. Take a moment to carefully inspect the sea moss for any remaining debris or discolored pieces, removing them as needed. You'll notice the sea moss now appears lighter in color and has developed a softer, more gelatinous texture, indicating it's beautifully clean and ready. With your sea moss sparkling clean, it's ready for immediate use or proper storage. Transfer the cleaned sea moss into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. Remember, it will have expanded significantly, often by 3 to 5 times its original dry volume, after this thorough cleaning process. For the best freshness and potency, aim to use your prepared sea moss within 7 to 10 days. Enjoy your perfectly cleaned sea moss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.